Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about main idea and details and how to find it in a story or short reading. For our assignment today, we are going to learn about how does the main idea and the details connect with an ice cream cone and the scoops. Then we're going to watch a YouTube video that explains more in depth, and then our assignment is going to be a short reading where we have to find the main idea and the 3 details that support the main idea of the story. So let's go ahead and start. So I have the 3 ice cream scoops and the cone. And the way I like to see it is the ice creams are going to be the details of the story. And then the cone, it's going to be the main idea, which is what supports the details. And then right here, I wrote it down. I don't know if it might be like turned, but I wrote it down. So the details are like the scoops of the ice cream, which were the 3 scoops that were in the other image of the ice cream. They support the main idea. Okay, and then the main idea, which is the cone, is like the cone, is the main thing that holds the details in place. So going back to the okay, so now I will go ahead and proceed to show the YouTube video that shows more in depth about the main idea and the details. So let's go ahead and watch it. It's a short video. I think it's 6 minutes, but I don't think we're gonna watch all of it. So let's go ahead.
At Grammar Songs by Melissa. What is main idea? More importantly, how can understanding main idea make me a better reader and writer? Let's get started. Main idea is the most important point an author is making when writing. What? Huh? Maybe it will be easier to understand if I show you. The main idea is the most important thought about the topic. The topic is the person, place, thing, or idea being written about. Let's read a short paragraph and see if we can find the main idea. My dog Hope is the best dog in the world. She always comes when I call her. She loves to swim and go hiking with me. Best of all, Hope is there for me if I'm having a bad day or feeling sad. First, we need to know the topic. What person, place, thing, or idea is this paragraph about? Of course, it's about Hope. She's the topic. Next, we need to find the main idea. So what is the most important point this paragraph makes about Hope? Let's read the paragraph again. My dog Hope is the best dog in the world. She always comes when I call her. She loves to swim and go hiking with me. Best of all, Hope is there for me if I'm having a bad day or feeling sad. While we were reading, I noticed some additional information about Hope. She always comes when she is called. She loves to swim and go hiking. And she is there when having a bad day. These sentences are supporting details. A supporting detail provides information that explains, defines, or proves the main idea. So now it's easy to see that my dog Hope is the best dog in the world is the main idea of this paragraph. Every sentence in the paragraph talks about Hope's good qualities. The supporting details explain why Hope is the best dog in the world. So the main idea is what the writing is all about. Yes. And the main idea is in the first sentence. Well, often the main idea can be found in the first sentence, but not always. Let's look at another example.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and stop here. And then for the next part, we're gonna go ahead and read the assignment for the short reading, and then we're gonna find the main idea and the details of the reading. Okay, so behind me I have the assignment that we're going to be doing to find the main idea and the details of the story. Of course, it's a little hard to see it, but it's okay. I will go ahead and read it, and hopefully we can all work on it together. But before I start reading, I like to just get a glass of like what the story is about. So I know that the story is about bees because I see the topic is called bees, okay? And then I like to think about the who, what, when, where, and how, because these types of questions can help me draw out what the text is going to be about, and they can apply to finding the details and the main idea. So let's go ahead and read while keeping in mind those questions: the who, what, why, and when, where. So let's go ahead and read, which is: an average beehive consists of about 20,000 bees within the colony. There are 3 types of bees, which all has an important job. There's only one queen bee in the hive, and her only job is to fill the hive with eggs. A queen will lay about 1,500 eggs a day. Male bees are called drones. Their only job is to mate with the queen. Worker bees, on the other hand, are extremely busy. They are female bees that lay no eggs. Work bees tend to hive by taking care of the babies, building honey, and keeping the hive cool. Some workers bees are also... Okay, so after reading it, I will go back and summarize in my head what was the story about, what was the paragraph trying to tell me, what are some important details about the who, the what, the where, and the why. And I'll just go back and highlight those important questions that I ask myself. So obviously we can all agree that the reading is about 3 types of bees, which that would conclude that that would be the main idea. So I would go back and highlight, or right here I could write that the main idea is the 3 types of bees that there are and their duties, and because those are the important jobs that they do. So that would be the main idea for me, because that's what I concluded, that's what I summarized, and that's what supports the reading. Okay, so next we will go back here to the top, which is the ice cream scoops, and I will think of the 3 details to support my main idea. Now, since I said that the reading was about the 3 types of bees and their jobs that they each do, well, it's easy because there's 3 details that are supporting the reading, which is the 3 types of bees. So for example, I will go ahead and collect, so the detail number 1 would be worker bees tend to hive and collect pollen, because that's one type of bee that we read. And so now the second detail would be the drones mate, because that would be the second type of bees. And then the third would be the queens that they hive and have the eggs. So yeah, pretty much that's what the story was about, and those are the 3 details, the 3 bees, and then the main idea, it's about the bees and their jobs. It's pretty much something that it supports each other. Both of the details and the main idea, they both are supporting each other. But again, we found this by going back to our reading and summarizing and asking ourselves the questions of, okay, well, what is the reading about? What is it asking me? What is the main thing in the reading that is standing out? And then of course the what, the who, the when, the why, and the how. Maybe all of those won't apply to all the readings, but for this one it did to the who, the what, and the how. So yeah.